understanding the phrase, move as one, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, move as one. This phrase is not just about physical movement, but carries a deeper meaning, often used in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means and how you can use it in your conversations. Move as one literally refers to a group of people or things moving together in synchronization. Imagine a flock of birds flying in perfect harmony or a dance troupe performing with flawless coordination. It's all about unity in action and direction. In a figurative sense, move as one goes beyond just physical movement. It's often used to describe a group of people who are united in their thoughts, actions, or goals. For example, a team working seamlessly towards a common objective, or a community coming together for a cause, exemplify this phrase. To grasp this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. The team needs to move as one if they want to win the championship. 2. During the crisis, the entire community moved as one to support each other. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday language to express unity and collective effort. It's also useful to know similar phrases. Here are a few. In unison, this implies doing something together at the same time. Hand in hand, often used to describe a partnership or collaboration. Side by side, this indicates standing or working together, in support of each other. Move as one is a powerful phrase that beautifully captures the essence of unity and teamwork. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and emotions they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.